It's your boy here, Nyaroha 254 back, guys. Today we travel from our village to the next village, guys, where the water falls. It is the water is fall is down there, guys. So I wanna take you down there. I have my friend, guys. So you just keep tuning, show some love, guys. You see, even they right here down here entry is 100 shilling, guys. You know, we have our boda man who take us here. You see, there are two bikes. So guys, I want you to just keep tuning, show some love, enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Nyaroha 254. You know, to support a village boy is a good thing, guys. So you just keep tuning, show some love, guys. You see the way this area it is, guys. We are at Nyaroha. Nyaroha. This place is known as Nyaroha, guys. So you just keep tuning, show some love. You know, to support a village boys, good guys. And my number, if you want to support me, my number is top of the screen, guys. You just show some love, guys. So let me take you to that fall and you see at your own two eyes, guys. You know I love you. Nyaroha 254 love you, guys. Support us. You know, in Kenya we don't have job, guys. This is the job that we decide to do, and we decide to do anything. Just the numbers on top of the screen. You can come at DM, text us, so we can make a conversation, know each other, and more, guys. Tell a friend to subscribe at Nyaroha's channel, guys. Keep tuning, show some love, guys. We love you, guys. And I have my friend there, a lot of my friend there, guys, down there. One love, guys. We love you all, guys. Mwah. You just keep tuning and see this. We are going to take a shower, a very sweet shower, guys. Yes, just and watch this video until the end. Don't forward this video. You just watch the video until the end, guys. The village boys, we suffer, guys. Send some help, guys. Keep watching. See, I'm going down. You see, guys. See that word. Radha? Yes. Hehe. Wala hii place ni mambo bad. Hii place ni noma. Si ati nini. Mimi nataka tu nichukue. You see, guys, the way water flows there. You see? And I have my friend down there, guys. You see? Hapa ni kusweet. Let's go down there. So guys, You can see. See guys. Yeah. You are tired? Eh, hadi mimi usikii. Shika kamera imeanza. Wewe usipige kamera iko. Unafaa kumlika hao watu ndio wanataka waone. Alafu na waonyeshe hivi. Yes, you show them this stones. Bani wao wengi.
Kwa nini nguo hizo nampea nani?
Ona jifikirie tu.
Ndio hiyo. Siwezi
kamera.
Siwezi bunga.
Ukilipata na kazi ya kwenda kuwezi.
Najua. Mimi ni mtu wa kamera. I know.
Ana tena kuja na wasanga kumtolea. Ana huyo. Usipope.
Mimi najua kana fanya. Tunaona wote mko together.
All of us are like this. So then we are like both. You can say both things are
Why?
That's like Swahili. Because they are different. So if you say you are from there, many people.
Mose, uchukue na huku. Yeah, go there. Hapo panateleza Jonte ama ni aje? Usijaribu, shikilia mtu. Inafaa waweke rope hapo. Ona. Inafaa huyo selector aweke rope.
Watching this video, just leave a comment there. You can see the big boys are in the waterfall. Yeah. Waterfall. Yeah. You know, here in Kenya, it's like a Jamaican. It's like a Jamaican. So, guys, this is the place, I tell you. This is the place. Something cool, something amazing. And as you can see, the weather is not too good, but yeah, still maintaining.
Change style, bro.
Woo!
Panda huko juu. Why?
Because you have feelings like he's riding. No, please, no. The good side,
I see you, boy.
We love you guys, and don't forget, support the village boys, the good thing. Yeah, of course. So guys, as you can see, all of these boys, they are YouTubers. Support them.
If you are born here, Marathi Paisho, guys, yes, go to my channel and subscribe, short and loud. My number of support is up on the screen. You can come at TDM so you can talk more, guys. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Yes. Tell a friend to subscribe Marathi Paisho channel. Yeah, guys, it's your boy Mara here, guys. Achana na huyo. Kale come new. Kale.
I'm not a black village, I'm a village guy. Not a guy.
Yes.
Sisi nataka nione. Ndio anasonga.
Kale rudi nyuma kidogo.
It's all about five guys. As you very well support us, that's support us. The number is up there on my top. Make sure you support us. As you know, support us.
Ndio ukiangalia kwa
Mimi naona mimi si msao kutetemeka. Kwani wangezi na wampigi nao?
Kale hapo.
Wangezi wampigi nao.
Mangi. Hao watapiga na sisi baadaye. All of the match, everyone.
Wende. Sasa unajua huyu ndiye amefanya.
Kale rudi nyuma kidogo. Shika kamera na mkono mbili.
Ndio hii. Mimi nimeshika. Hapo ni spark. Mimi ni photographer. I'm a photographer, man. You see?
Nataka uturudie hivyo vile iko.
So guys, welcome back to Baruchi 254 YouTube channel. I call by the name of Celeb. Make sure you go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend that African boys have something amazing. And don't forget to subscribe, by the way. Don't forget to subscribe. Watch this video until the end. As you can see, I have some stand here. I want to make sure that even in my YouTube channel you have something amazing. So make sure you come to my YouTube channel as Celeb, subscribe, share. And we're gonna buy, by the way, come to my DM. The WhatsApp number is there up on my video. Come to my DM, we're gonna buy, everything is gonna be cool.
Yeah, guys.
47.
47 minutes.
Nini? Anasema nini? Ulikuwa unasema nini? Oh, 7 nini huko? Video.
7 video.
Oh, video nilikuwa nasema.
Nilikaja. Hivi unatembea kama
Yeah. The geography. I love you guys. Love you all. Geography, guys. So you want to fall, my God. Take care. Hello, my people. Must be careful. Let's go. Take my time. You see, I'm using that shoe. To balance my phone so that you can take out this video. Of course. If I can get someone there who can support me, guys, I will appreciate. All of our support that we appreciate, by the way. We appreciate. I want to see now we are at Jamaica. Jamaica. Let me show you the Rasta people. Rasta people. Where are in Jamaica. So guys, all of these boys here in the Cuba, support them. I know you know how to support your African boys. Just support them. That's something like that. Go to their YouTube channel and make sure you support, subscribe, share. I am taking my top. You just talking in this. Yeah, it's me. You grab our phone like this side. You see, and you see, yes. I let you talk to you, so you just grab it, don't do some blood. You can also think like this one. You see. Yeah, they enjoy themselves.
Jonte, wewe umesema enough.
Nishamaliza.
Jonte, wewe umesema enough. Hizi mimi nafahamu nakuja mchana wakati jua iko.